sir, may I come in?
हाँ जी प्लीज.
Assalamu alaikum,
हाँ
sir.
वालेकुम सलाम. Please be seated.
Thank you so much, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much for giving me the pleasing opportunity to introduce myself. I am Ariba Asad and I belong from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have done my previous schooling from Al Barkat Public School. My father's name is Dr. Asad Hussain and he was a veterinary scientist. My mother's name is Ifa Zareen and she's a psychologist, but right now she's working as a teacher in Tazkiyah Islamic School. In my leisure times, I enjoy watching football and I aim to become a doctor, particularly an oncologist.
Oncologist. हाँ बहुत शानदार.
Your father is veterinary doctor.
Yes, veterinary doctor.
What is veterinary doctor?
Basically, veterinary doctors are the doctors who treat animals.
नहीं, she said veterinary scientist.
Veterinary
Scientist and
scientist.
doctors,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, तो veterinary doctor तो सुना था. Veterinary scientist क्या होता है? What is this veterinary scientist?
Basically, the much I know that my father had the specific work on working on the different, discoveries which we see in animal body. So that's why we call him scientist, because the work of scientist is also to discover new things through the process of experimentation and confirming the theories. Same as well, my father treated the theories on animals.
He is a veterinary doctor or veterinary scientist, and you want to become an oncologist.
Yes.
What does an oncologist do?
An oncologist is a specialist of cancer, treating cancer.
Okay, where you are very specific, and I usually
We
tells to that we want to-
gynecologist, neurologist, cardiologist तो होता है.
Yes, cardiologists and gynecologists have many preferences.
many preferences, and you are very specific to oncologist. Why? Is there any situation? or-
It has a backstory basically.
Exactly. I want to hear that story. What was the story?
Actually, in 2018, I lost my father because he had brain cancer.
Who lost your father?
You lost your father.
How?
So he was veterinary scientist.
Right.
Okay.
And that's the one cause of his disease, because firstly he was diagnosed with lung cancer. So the doctor inquired him a lot that have you ever been done smoking or alcohol, anything such, and my father replied that he hasn't even seen a cigarette in his whole life.
Oh.
That's an exceptional case, of course, but the main reason was that he used to stay around a lot of animals. And he was experimenting before his death. He was on a very big project on treating a buffalo. He was experimenting on a hybrid buffalo, and a sort of virus must have transferred to him, spreading
Maybe
the cancer in his
possible.
body. And as cancer spread is really fast, he was diagnosed with brain cancer, and then he died.
Lung cancer, then brain cancer.
Yes, because
Okay.
cancer grows rapidly in the body,
rapidly.
right? And for that reason, and since I have
वो लंग
decided
में लीवर में शुरू हो गया तो फिर वो
फैल जाएगा.
से छोड़ता नहीं है फिर तो.
Sorry to ask this.
No, it's
Ariba?
okay. I'm really proud of answering that because I consider my father as a warrior, and
Sure.
it makes me proud.
And
every
he
moment I
was a
answer that.
warrior, yeah, sure.
Indeed, he was.
Generally, what are the, because this disease is increasing day by day, and you have chosen a very right profession to become. You have chosen a very right team. Can you tell the other causes of cancer, which you want that people should be prevented?
Aware of this thing.
this
They
disease
should
and-
not use this thing.
Yes, people should be really aware of few things, because generally we hear that people all over the India have brain cancer, lung cancer, but according to the report 2023, the top 3 cancers are in India are of breast cancer, cervical cancer and oral cancer. So I think that the top 2 cancers are occurring on women.
Women, exactly.
And women need to, and one thing I would like to aware every people with, that they should maintain a lot of hygiene and self-care. Even I can take example of my mother. First of all, she has a habit of completing all the work chores of her house, of her school, and after that she'll have dinner very late. Hygiene is not only keeping yourself clean, it's hygiene is of your body, hygiene is of your mind, hygiene is of your diet. Everything should be really well maintained, which is not right now not maintained in our country and in our generation. So I think this is one of the things we should maintain.
Okay. Why should we choose you? Wow. What are better qualities do you have? Why should we choose you?
Sir, I think that even in my previous schools, whenever I have been given the platform to excel in my skills, I have given my 100% and performed really well. And I think AMU is the best platform I can further excel in, because first of all, I'm very glad that AMU has that educational background with a great academic society, and secondly the cultural side of AMU attracts me a lot towards it. I think that my commitment for contributing positively towards the academic society of AMU, passion for learning and dedication toward academic achievement can pay a lot, so you should consider me for AMU.
Only AMU. Why AMU? There are other options, Jamia as well, BHU as well. Then why you should choose AMU?
As I mentioned earlier, that the culture attracts me a lot.
Okay.
And secondly, my mother has also done
So why we should choose
other
you?
courses from
Why
here.
should we choose you?
Sir, I said that I am very dedicated towards of my academic achievements, and I always keep this as
Just
my
tell
first
me a
priority.
single specific thing, only one thing. For that reason, you want to be in AMU.
Sir,
single
I
one
want to become a
reason.
doctor, and I think AMU the Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College is the best college I can do MBBS from.
Okay. Have you ever heard about a best gynecologist, best oncologist ever? Best oncologist in India is who is the best oncologist?
The best, the topmost oncologist in India is Dr. S. Subramaniam, also the co-founder of VS Hospitals
Okay.
in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh.
Do we have any cure about cancers? Yeah, is there certain work or program is going on, or project is going on
The
to cure
government,
cancer?
yes sir, the government time to time tries to develop new things. They are providing a lot of insurance facilities to the poor people who are not able to afford, but a general fact in our generation is that the rich is getting richer and the poor is getting the poorer. Even the rich do not have to pay for their treatment, because the insurance is paying for it. And the case for the poor is that they cannot even afford paying for the insurance, and that's my main target why I want to become an
Okay.
oncologist.
So your favorite subject is what?
Science,
Science.
particularly
Why?
biology.
Particularly biology. Can we ask question from maths?
Yes,
What are prime
sure.
numbers?
Prime numbers are those numbers which does not have any other factor than the number itself. And
Any
like,
exception?
exceptions? No, sir. I cannot recall this right now.
One is, what about one? One is prime or not? There are
One
also
is
factor
a-
of itself. One is the factor of itself.
Indeed, it is, but one is a very different number. Not
One is prime or not?
No, sir. I don't think so. It is a prime number.
Okay. What about composite number?
Composite numbers are those numbers which have factors more than 2.
More than 2. The smallest even composite number?
The smallest even composite number 4.
4. And the smallest odd composite number?
Odd 7.
7. Composite.
Sorry, 1.
Uh-huh. One is neither prime nor composite.
Yes. Sorry, sir, I
Let's
cannot
think.
recall it.
Take your time. Think. Smallest odd composite.
9.
9. Exactly.
Okay.
Good. Is 0.5 a rational number or not? 0.5.
0.5.
Can we write it in PYQ form?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What is the meaning of your name? Ariba.
Ariba means brilliant and wise.
Brilliant and
Wise.
Wise.
wise,
Does
intelligent.
it have any synonyms in English? Synonyms of wise? Other words for wise?
Intelligent
Intelligent and
and smart.
smart. Okay. Its antonyms?
For wise, foolish,
Foolish.
Stupid.
Stupid.
dumb.
Can you tell in which day Teachers' Day is celebrated in India?
Teachers' Day
Teachers' Day?
celebrated. Yeah.
On. Sorry, can I take a minute?
Yes,
Sure,
yes.
sure.
Okay. Okay, Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th of September
5th
on
of
the
Sep-
birthday of Sarvapalli Ramakrishna.
Okay. And Education Day is celebrated? National Education Day is celebrated on?
11 November on the birthday of Maulana Abul Kalam
Who
Azad.
was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad?
He was the first education minister of
And
India.
who is the Education Minister at present?
Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan,
Education Minister को हम उर्दू में क्या कहेंगे?
Wazir Talim,
वज़ीर तालीम. Who is the Sadr Jamhuriya?
President of India is Shri Draupadi Murmu.
Shrimati.
Srimati Draupadi
Srimati
Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu.
और जो उर्दू में
Okay.
पूछें सदर जमहूरिया कौन है? Then we have to use मोहतरमा.
Mohtarama.
Mohatarma.
Mohtarama.
जी.
मोहतरम और मोहतरमा जब उर्दू में पूछ लिया जाए.
Mohtaram and Mohtaram.
मोहतरम मिस्टर
Mr.
और मोहतरमा
मोहतरमा.
मिसेस.
Okay, okay.
हिंदी में पूछें तो श्री और श्रीमती.
What is the full form of NEET?
National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test.
You want to do MBBS from AMU.
Yes,
You have
sir.
two options. Either you go for AMU or you go for AIMS. What you will choose? AMU or AIMS?
AIMS.
Why AIMS?
दोनों जगह आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है तो.
क्या AIMS क्यों? Why AIMS?
Because I think that is the best college in our country.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a different thing that I would be maybe safer, more comfortable around my mother in Aligarh. But if I get to the opportunity of him, first of all, it's a very cheaper. And I think till the age of 18 and even further that we are hospitable by our parents' money. I should reach an age where I should be hospital on my own money and providing them the hospitality. So I think I would go for AIIMS.
Okay. हम लोग इनहेल कौन सा गैस करते हैं? We inhale which gas?
Oxygen,
And exhale
carbon dioxide,
carbon dioxide. This whole process is called what?
respiration.
Respiration. Okay. Any question?
पेपर दीजिए। आपने कहा हम इनहेल ऑक्सीजन करते हैं, क्या ऑक्सीजन का आप लिख सकते हैं केमिकल फॉर्मूला?
Write down chemical formula of oxygen.
और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का लिखिए, हम एक्सेल करते हैं।
Can you write photo?
ये क्या है? O2 और ये आपने CO2 लिखा है। What is this called?
This is a compound molecule of two oxygen.
Compound or molecule?
Sorry, this is a molecule. Sorry, sir. This is a molecule of
Yes.
two oxygen atoms.
Okay, and this?
See, this is a compound molecule of two oxygen atoms and one carbon dioxide atom.
One is compound and one is mixture. What is mixture? Can we call it mixture?
No.
Okay, then what is mixture?
So, when we compare these two things, compound is something attached and mixed together chemically, where mixture can be separated by a physical processes.
Okay. Can you write the reaction of photosynthesis?
Okay.
Have you ever heard about photosynthesis?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, I do.
Write the reaction. In the presence of sunlight, water. Chlorophyll, okay.
Chlorophyll or chloroplast, whatever you call it.
They get what? It is a reaction, or is just writing and explaining the things in
No,
reaction
you have
form?
to write chemical equation.
Chemical equation.
Like you have written CO2, O2, like this. Can you write the equation?
Have you ever heard about that the chemical reaction of photosynthesis?
I think I have seen that chemical equation once,
But right now
I
you cannot
cannot recall it right
Ah,
now.
okay.
I'm so sorry.
No issue. Okay. ठीक है, तरीपा आप जा सकते हैं।
Thank you so much, sir. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम। हाँ, आइए, वापस आइए। हाँ, बहुत शानदार है।
मैंने तो शुरुआत में थोड़ा सा शुरू करते दे दिया।
शुरू ही परवेज से बैठो प्लीज। परवेज सर ने 15 नंबर
Thank
दिया,
you,
ये
sir.
बड़े कंजूस इंसान है। ठीक है, तो
मैं मार्क्स देता नहीं हूँ बच्चों को आमतौर पर।
तो परवेज सर ने 15 दे दिया, बड़ी बात है। और स्टार्टिंग में दे दिया था तुम्हें सर ने, माशाल्लाह। और मार्क्स में तुम्हारे माशाल्लाह 76 मार्क्स है ना? तो सर ने पहले शायद सिलेक्टेड, आपने लिखा है क्या सिलेक्टेड?
श्वेब सर ने लिखा था.
श्वेब सर ने लिख दिया था, तो मैं तो और स्पेसिफिक टॉप 10 रैंक इंशाल्लाह। बस अब इसको तुम्हें साबित करना है कल, है ना?
इंशाल्लाह
कल इंशाल्लाह, है ना? बहुत शानदार जा रहा है तुम्हारा, ठीक है। और अपनी इमेज क्लास की बच्ची है अरीबा, बहुत सही है अरीबा, बहुत परफेक्ट। मैंने मतलब हर सिचुएशन को तुमने इतना अच्छे से माशाल्लाह रिप्लाई किया है ना। बहुत रेयर बच्चों को मैंने देखा है, और सच में तुमने यूपीएससी के इंटरव्यू के काबिल है सर।
बिल्कुल
जैसा तुमने इंटरव्यू दिया है, सच में बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू, कितने इंटरव्यू दिए इमेज क्लास?
यूपीएससी इंटरव्यूज
इंटरव्यूज दिए हैं, देखा ना? अच्छा, और हमारे इमेज क्लास में कितने इंटरव्यूज दिए तुमने?
14 ऑलरेडी.
14 दे चुके हो, बहुत शानदार।
सिंस 8th में.
सिंस 8th में
8 में हम लोग ने स्टार्टिंग में शुरू कर दिया।
जुलाई आने वाली
8 जुलाई आने वाला है, मई जून जुलाई
2 महीने होने वाले।
चल कोई नहीं, बहुत अच्छा। हम लोगों ने उम्मीद है
नाइसली पूरा,
बहुत शानदार, बहुत शानदार। ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू, गुड। कुछ करेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं, बस वही ना एग्जैक्टली। तो सवाल में कुछ में अटक सकते हैं आप, जैसे ये फोटोसिंथेसिस में अटक गए, पॉसिबिलिटी है ना कि आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं। आप लोगों ने जो अभी
कुछ भी पूछ सकते, उसमें
रिव्यू एक्सपीरियंस सीरीज जो चालू किया हमने ना, तो उसका बड़ा फायदा होगा ना भाई। आप लोग भी ना जब भी ये वीडियो देखो तो अरीबा को भी एटलीस्ट अप्रिशिएट करना कि इसके इंटरव्यू से आप लोगों ने कुछ सीखा है। ठीक है, चलिए अरीबा, थैंक यू, गुड, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
थैंक यू सो मच सर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम सलाम।